Guys, today we are going to solve next Hackerrank question. So earlier we have solved two. So now we click on this solve challenge. So now this is so these are the instructions. The provided code stub reads two integers from std in a and b. Add code to print three lines where the first line contains the sum of two numbers, the second line contains the difference of two numbers, first minus second, the third line contains product of two numbers. So it is a bit easy problem. So what we have to take, we have to take input two numbers from user, and we have to do addition, then subtraction and multiplication. So that we have to do. So here some constraints are given. So number should be small. So then print the three lines as explained above. So we need to print three lines, we need to print. So first one will print addition, then subtraction and then multiplication, right? So now here we are going to take two numbers from user. So we'll take here first line will print addition of these two. So directly we will take print a plus b. So there are other ways to solve this also. Like means you can take addition in one variable, and after that addition you are, so using that variable you are displaying that on the console. That is also possible. A minus b, that is subtraction we are doing, then a into b, so that is the product. So as per the instructions we are giving, the first line contains sum of two numbers, second will be subtraction, and third will be product. So we will run this code. So now it is giving input 3 to your output 516, expected output 516. So sample test case 0, so means we have passed the first case. So now we will submit this code. Yes, so we are passing test case 1, means we are done with this challenge. So this was a bit easy problem to solve. So we have to do only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So in this from this problem we get to know arithmetic operators in Python, right? So in this way we are done with this challenge. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notifications whenever I will upload new video. Thank you.